Welcome to EMDESK Tutorials. Today, I will be showing you how to organize your project participants in your EMDESK project. Let's get started. Before getting into creating a work plan, it is best to begin with building your team and participants carrying out the work. Here, in the Participants section, you can organize and manage the entire project consortium, such as your partners, contractors, or other stakeholders who are working on activities on this project. If you would like to organize your organization's activities into several projects, you can also map your organizational structure here, such as departments, teams, and each individual personnel that are carrying out work. You may also create a combination of both, however you feel will benefit your projects. To start building your participants, you must first go to the Participants section in the Home menu. In this section, you will find the Add Participant button at the bottom left corner. Click the button, and a sidebar will appear where you can enter your new participant's details. At the top, you are able to enter the participant's name. Then enter a short in order to easily identify the participant. Here you can choose a parent participant if this participant falls under or is associated with another participant. If this is your first participant, you won't be able to see this option. In the Position field, you can set the position of the participant in the list. You won't see this option either if this is your first participant. Then specify the participant type. These types here are provided by the project template selected during the project creation. However, you can add other types here. You can also manage all of them in the Customization section under Settings. This is only available for users with admin or manager rights. Now continue to fill out the participant profile as needed. Then click Save Participant to create the new participant, which will appear at the selected position in the first level if you haven't selected a parent, or it will appear under the participant that you chose as a parent. If you would like to now move the participant to another position or under another participant, click the participant to open the sidebar and set the right parent and position. Then click Save. The participant is now moved under P6 at the first position. As you can see, the participants are auto-numbered, in my example here with P1, P2, P3. However, you, as a user with admin or manager rights, can customize those IDs to fit your preferences under Settings and Customization. In the ID settings for participants, you set the ID convention for each level of the participants list. I have set P1, P2, P3 for the first level, and P1.1 and P1.2 for the second level. Now, let's set the ID convention for the third level. Click Add Level and set the new ID convention. I'd like the third level to be numbered Team A, Team B, and Team C. In the Participants section, you will now see how our third level is numbered.
EMDESK. Focus on research, drive innovation.